talk about patterns in your chart. And these relate directly to the aspects of astrology, which are the relationships between the various points of your chart. So a quick review of the aspects. Conjunction is no more than 10 degrees apart. They're the same sign, blended energy. Sextile, 60 degrees, even energy, easy flow. Square, 90 degrees, they're gonna battle each other. Trine, 120 degrees, effortless merging, usually within the same element. QUINCUNX is 150 degrees, that's tense energy. Opposition, 180 degrees, and that's a push and pull. Now sometimes these combinations lead to certain patterns in your natal chart. These patterns bring different energies, like stellium, for instance, which is a pattern. And that's 3 or more points in one sign or one house, and that blends the energy of all of those points and merges it with that of the house or the sign that it's within. As an example, other patterns are T-square, which is 2 planets in opposition and 1 square to both of those planets. This is fairly common in people's natal charts. Those 2 opposition planets are in a debate of sorts, and the planet that's squared to both of them is called the focal planet. It's kind of the mediator or the problem solver of this debate. A grand cross, that's 4 interlocking square aspects and 2 pairs of oppositions. This is a pretty rare pattern. Usually they're within the same mode, cardinal, fixed, or mutable. So they'll present challenges in regards to those modes. Like as an example, a fixed grand cross may be forever looking to fix things. In the grand trine, that's 3 or more planets in trine with 2 others. So instead of just 2 planets aligning, there's 3 planets and they're all 120 degrees apart to form a triangle. Typically, they're in the same element: fire, earth, air, and water, which can bring harmony or wastefulness. Fire trine, achievement; water trine, empathy; earth trine, structure; air trine, intelligence. So a yod is 2 planets in sextile and 1 in quincunx to both. The point planet signifies a sacrifice one will need to make in order to become fulfilled, with the assistance of those supporting points. A mystic rectangle is 2 pairs of opposition planets that are sextile to each other, making a rectangle. This is going to signify balance and harmony and will indicate what talents and strengths this person may have. A kite is a grand trine, but with the 4th point that forms the head of the kite. And this 4th point creates movement for that grand trine, and it indicates one's destiny. A grand sextile, which is an extremely rare thing to have in your natal chart, it's 6 planets that are sextile to each other going around the chart. And there's 3 different oppositions, as well as 2 grand trines, and it'll be fire and air or earth and water. For fire and air, you're going to want to learn how to hold back a bit to access your talent. For earth and water, you want to look to find motivation to access your talents. These are just a few of the patterns that you can have in your natal chart. Do you have any? Let me know. And until next time, cheers.